y'all, it's Cindee of Cynthia Porter Studio. I hope you have enjoyed what Lance of Pouring Together with Lance Travis has done for you, and also Tiffany of Tiffany Remijn Art, who started our Friday with Friends train out. I might be having a little bit of a cocktail this Friday. We'll see. Today's Sunday when I'm pouring this, but my brother's coming into town. I'm so excited. Plus this weekend, I should say, is Father's Day weekend. So I wanted to do something special for my dad. And my dad is never happier than when he is deep in the forest, fly fishing. And also, if he's watching the University of Tennessee football. So that's why we have this orange. So I'm really hoping my colors go well together. Let's go through them. This orange is Amsterdam Azo Orange. And then I'm loving this, what is it, cinnamon? That is such a beautiful copper color by TLP Pigments. And then right here we have some phthalo green by Liquitex. Then back to This Little Piggy, we have Tail Feather. Wow, that's so pretty. And then over here to my right, we have Asparagus. And next to it, I have some, let me see, what is this? Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt. Just kind of like my new favorite. And then I also have this yellow that was in this bottle, and I have no idea how this is mixed. It's Cadmium Yellow Light by Liquitex. And then for my cell activator, I have the Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with Australian Floetrol. Can't go wrong with that combination. So I'm going to put you guys on music and let you watch what I do. I'm really not even sure what direction I'm going to go in. I cannot find my favorite swiper, so we'll see. See you in a second.
Left on the shelf, full of dust, you'll know it's me and from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully I can contain myself. Pulsing blood that flows through me and wants nobody else. See through me and all of my charades. I am not any less afraid. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light.
If you're enjoying my content, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and give me a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. I'd really appreciate it. Love y'all. give to you Gaia. She reminds me of just a beautiful full tree with a river running through her branches. And I think it's a perfect example of my dad's love of nature and fishing streams. And I want to wish my dad and all the other dads a very happy Father's Day weekend. And I want to wish everyone else a lot of peace, love, light, and laughter. And I want you all to head on over to Donna@. It's Art by Donna. And follow on to Nate at Nate Bright's Art. And I hope to see you all soon. Thanks for being here. Love y'all. Bye-bye.